Hello everyone from sadout.gallery. I'm Sherry and let's make it this beautiful clock with dry poppy flower. Here I'm reusing a base and I'm using these acrylic colors and painting my base with a piece of sponge and these colors. Here I already have some dried poppy flowers and I pour a thin layer of resin on my base so I can stick the flowers on it, and I arrange my flowers the way I like on the base. And after I finish this part, I make some resin in another cup. Like me, you can also add some glitter if you like, and then I pour the resin with glitter on my clock. After it dries, I put the number, and then our beautiful floral clock is ready to use. I hope you liked this tutorial.